befriended me. I lost them yesterday. Among the birds above the sea, among the winds that sing, among the lowing of the herd, the rustling of the trees, among the singing of the birds, the humming of the bees. The foolish fears of what might pass, I cast them all away. Among the clover scented grass, among the new moon gay, among the hushing of the court, where drowsy poppies bud, where hilltops die and fools are born, out in the fields with God. Out in the Fields with God by Elizabeth Brown.